Okay, anyone who has joined for the first time to this
Hello,
presentation? Yeah,
can you
yeah,
hear me?
yeah.
Yeah. This is Pradeep, and I'm from Rohtak. And I forgot the name who invited me.
Okay, no worries.
So yeah, please continue.
Okay, what do you do, Pradeep, by the way?
Yeah, I'm working as a in US IT recruitment
US.
since yeah.
Okay, great.
So
Uh, so,
basically, that is a night shift. So I have to work in night shift
okay,
for US. Yeah.
okay, great. So I can understand because I have also worked in a lot of night shifts. So I'll come to that point about my profile and all. Anyone else who is willing to introduce himself or herself? Okay, so let me introduce myself. I am Saket Mitra. I'm working as a software consultant and I've been into the job or IT related firm. I worked almost 20 years. I did my engineering in 99 and I did MTech, MBA from IIM Calcutta. And the opportunity I am going to share today with you, I am associated almost 10 years. And as Pradeep mentioned, I also worked in multiple shifts. In fact, there is no hour in whole 24 hours in which I have not worked. If you talk about maybe starting the normal shift, 10 to 6 types, or evening 3 to 12, or maybe in the night 9 to 6, and other round the clock, getting up in early morning 4 a.m. or something. So that all kind of shifts I have worked on. Okay, so let me share my presentation and let me introduce about the opportunity I am talking about. Okay, I hope my presentation is visible to all of you. So this is an a startup opportunity. What is this opportunity? Do you need that or not? Are you willing to pursue this opportunity? This would be up to you. I can share what is this all about, how to build this opportunity, whether it will work for you or not. There is no such promise as such, but I can share the testimonial and tell about me and my team, how we are working on that and how it can help to diversify your income without disturbing your existing profession. So quick business highlights. What is this? This is a mid to long term project. So whenever we are working in any organization, we always talk in terms of project. So this is portrayed in such a manner that this is a 2 to 5 years project, which you can build in ultra flexible hours. We'll talk about later what you will get from this, but what is expected is mentioned over here. So you can build in ultra flexible hours. Why this is so important? As Pradeep mentioned, or I categorize that we could have a job where we have profile round the clock we are working. So flexible hours enables us to work anytime which is available with us. How much is the commitment? If you can work for 12 to 15 hours in a week, this opportunity can bring a lot of positive changes in your financial statements, right? And what about the investment? There is no financial investment is expected out of you. This is a teamwork where a team is dedicated for you, who is going to help you how to build. this opportunity, right? So this is all about the highlights. Now let's come to why someone would build this opportunity or opt for this. We are working for a particular reason, whatever we are doing, whether I am getting up in the morning, or I am sleeping at the late, or I am getting late in the morning, sleeping early, whatever, I don't know. But whatever we are working, maybe in an organization, I have my own business, whatever we are doing, for a purpose. Why will you build this business? If you feel that your dreams are bigger, but somehow income doesn't allow us to fulfill our dreams. If this is the case, in most of the cases I felt that if my income is less, then I start compromising on the things. If I'm driving a car, maybe this is not the car which I want to drive, but this is the car which I can afford. My house could be that thing, my vacation could be that way, my kids are going to the school, maybe, which I can afford, but not really want to go there. So what can be done? See, earlier we used to have a saying in Hindi, "Jitne chadar ho utni pav pasaro." I mean, whatever you can afford, do compromise on that only. But there is a way that we can increase our income so that our dreams can be encapsulated into our income. How to do that? When we have limited time, what can we do so that we can increase our income? And not only increase our income, there are two factors I am going to talk about: the amount which we are making and the way we are making. Both of them are very important, and you will understand if I show you this particular slide. By the way, uh, this slide was introduced by a millionaire, billionaire, Robert Kiyosaki. Anyone has heard name of Robert Kiyosaki? Can someone just either raise the hand, just speak about him, or just type in into the chat box? Anyone?
Oh, I never heard.
Never heard. Okay. So he wrote a book called Rich Dad Poor Dad. So if you have never heard about him, I don't think you have read that book, but you can grab that book. Once you search on Google or Amazon, you will find that this is the largest selling book in the world. So he said there are only four ways to make income. See, nobody has read. I also didn't read this book before I was introduced to this opportunity. We are so busy in working 10 to 6, 10 to 6, 9 to 6, whole of our life, and we don't know how the people are getting successful in this world. So he said there are four ways. One of them is employee who works 8 to 10 hours, limited productivity because we have limited time we are working. Effort equals to income, which is the most important you can say equation. I did engineering and gone through lots of formula, but this simple formula was not introduced anywhere in life, which is called, if we have single source of working, and this is same for employee as well as self-employed. The only difference between employee and self-employed is employee has his boss and self-employed is working for himself. Maybe he's a shopkeeper, he is a doctor, he is a lawyer, but the moment he or she stops working, his income is zero. So do you think if you stop working you will still making money? In fact, if someone asks, how can you make money while you are sleeping? And someone billionaire also said, if you are not making money while you are sleeping, you are very close to, I mean, he says poor. so, so this says like we should understand who are rich in this world. These are business owners who have done lots of investment. These are investors. These are business owners who have created productivity of millions of hours. How they have recruited the people who are shown at the left hand side, right? Uh, uh, Pradeep, you said the name of your company. Can you tell me how many employees are there in your company working?
Mm, in my office, around 80 people are working,
Okay.
and there are so many sister companies. So around 4,000 people are working.
4,000 people.
Yeah,
Suppose everyone is working, for rough calculation, everyone is working 10 hours a day. So 10 multiplied by 4,000 equals to 40,000 hours. So your company is getting productivity of 40,000 hours per day. If you calculate your whole life and check how many hours you are working in whole life, it would be less than 1 lakh, right? So this is the main reason why people are making big money. Not only that, if you stop working, you will not get money. But do you think if you are not working, or you switch to other company, or something happens to your job, so do you think it will impact your company? Answer is no, because they have multiple employees already working. One employee is not there, it doesn't bother to them. They will hire anyone else. But for our financial status, it is really, really massive. So, what I am coming to a point that anyone who is on the left hand side is not making good money, first of all, and also whatever he is making is non-secure. The moment he stops working, the financial status is zero. But 95% people are on the left hand side and 5% people are on the right hand side, who are making system and asset based income. And today we are going to talk about a asset based income which can be generated through a network. Right now the biggest businesses are being built on the basis of network. Whether you talk about Facebook, whether you talk about Ola, Uber, Zomato, and lot many companies who are working on a model called creating a platform through which the investment is very less, but they can make huge money. Ola, Uber has lots of cars, lakhs of cars, but they have not invested on a single car. They have created a platform, right? I am talking about a concept where we don't even have to spend that much money to create a system, because system is also created already. We have to understand the trends. Trend is related to the people who are under 35 years of age, and India is the youngest country in the whole world. We have to understand the best growth it is in the e-commerce platform, and the best area of the market it is FMCG. FMCG are the goods which everyone is using, whether it is recession period, whether it is lockdown. It will never happen that you get up in the morning and don't brush your teeth, right? You don't take bath, don't clean your clothes or your floor, right? So so this let's understand the conventional market, then we will come to the opportunity. So conventional market is one where manufacturer makes a product. There is a distribution channel, huge distribution channel, and when customer pays 100 rupees, he is getting a product worth 30-40 rupees, and 60 rupees approximately is invested into the distribution channel. And this is the prime concern over here. He is a service provider role, in which, if you understand, maximum role is played by us. How? What we do? We are a satisfied customer, and a satisfied customer attracts more customers. Where, even if Dabur is hiring Amitabh Bachchan, or anyone is hiring Shah Rukh Khan or anyone, but actual advertisement is being done by a satisfied customer. I hope you would agree with me. So in this business opportunity, we will take up the role which was shown at the distribution type. We will be connected to a organization that will be directly connected to us and allow us to create our own network. We have to do only those three things which we are already doing. What we are doing already? Using the products. We are already using the products from any other brand. We are helping generate retail by referring people, and we are creating a network to that company. Suppose Mr. Pradeep has bought a watch from Amazon, and I like that watch. So he says that I brought from this site, maybe Amazon or Flipkart or any other, from so and so price, and this was the some commission. I mean the discount and all those things. If I bought that watch from Amazon, how much money Pradeep will make? Zero, right? But you generated a sales for Amazon. So this is the whole concept over here. The only thing difference is you will create your asset over here. Not only that, but whenever I refer to someone else through you, you will always be benefited. This is called a network marketing or direct selling business, which is currently 64,000 crore already. In India, it is more than 10,000 crore. This was introduced by a company called Amway. I am sure you must have heard the name of this company, which is now 23 years old in India and already the largest direct selling company in whole world. I'm really proud of this company whenever I talk about this, because this enables an ordinary person to build a humongous business without any risk. We always want to have a business, our own business, where I have my control to make money, but I cannot invest money because I don't want to risk my assets. But here we will get those things. Not only that, the future is so bright that the direct selling industry is going to be 64 to 65,000 crore by 2025. This is by FICCI and KPMG reports, right? Amway is already number one. Why? They have their self-manufacturing products, 1,000 plus international patents, more than 1,000 scientists are working. And for if we take see the Forbes list, it is around 35th number in the Forbes list. What is the unique point about this business? See, whenever we talk about any business, this is always about the products. But whenever we are talking about these products by Amway, we get one unique thing, that is 100% satisfaction guarantee. Pradeep, can I ask you a question? Suppose you buy a soap or a toothpaste recommended by your friend or someone. If you don't like that toothpaste, what will you do with that toothpaste?
I might be not use that toothpaste, and I'll recommend them to not use that, and also recommend to all my connections don't
Right,
use it. That is not good.
right. But here, see, first of all, and with there is a quality associated with Amway products. They have patented formula, but still, if someone doesn't like these products, suppose I recommended you this product, I recommended toothpaste from Amway to you or a customer. For some XYZ reason, he doesn't like. So the used product can be returned back to Amway and you can take your money back. So the business is so beautiful. The startup cost is zero. Whenever you buy a product for yourself or retail them, they come with money back guarantee. You can use product up to 30%. If even if you have consumed within 30 days, you can return those product and you can take your money back. So this business is designed in such a manner that an ordinary person can build this business. When we talk about the quality, this is number one. Neutralite, number one. uh, Many times it happened that people whenever we talk about the immunity earlier, nobody was so much concerned earlier, but now everyone understands the value of nutrition these days. We talk about the herbal range, which is the unique product category for India, where we talk about the traditional wisdom and lot many products. But over and above, whatever, what benefit do we get out of these products? See, we just have to change the brand, and the moment we change the brand, we get the free registration, loyalty points, 100% satisfaction guarantee, and lot many other benefits and bonuses. So let's talk about the benefits, and then I'll go about the compensation plan. The first thing is world class products, which we can get from Amway. Uh, uh, Whatever products we are using are good quality, but we are talking about world class quality. Money back guarantee we don't get in the market. We are talking about the cost effectiveness. This is a question mark, although, but the moment you start using these products, you will come to know that these are world class product and very much value for money. We have evident comparisons. Usually we don't get those things in the market. You get the demonstration how to use this product, how they are economical. This comes with a business opportunity. Whenever we talk about business opportunity, we are using all the products for so many years, maybe 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, but that never give us an opportunity to make money. But here we will get that. There are multiple levels of income. These are just categorized to make you understand that how much work would you do to make how much money. Although you can do better than this. For example, within 6 to 8 months you can earn 15,000 per month or more. If you work for 1 to 2 years, you can make 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees. If you talk about level 3 income, where if you work whatever is suggested, recommended to you for 3 to 5 years, you can make 1 to 2 lakh rupees a month. And the level 4 income, you will come to know how we get this money. You can earn more than 5 lakh rupees. So what is special about this money, that you can fulfill your unlimited dreams. How come? We are already making money, so what's so special about this income? So this income can enable you earn uh, a income which takes to you as a financial freedom, and that can help you buy a dream house, traveling around the world. Amway gives so many world trips that you can take and have a free of cost. Everything is free, home to home, luxury vacations. You can have a budget free shopping, global recognition. Whenever we talking about making money, we never talk about global recognition or anything. But whenever someone is getting successful because of you, there is a big recognition. You will come to know later. So this is a chart of the compensation plan. You need not to worry, don't have to cram all this, because everything is available on the computer and your mobile app. So we just take an example just to understand how you make money. And then later on you can connect with the person who has invited you. He will or she will take you to the detailed knowledge about that and our other programs, right? So first step is just to change the habits of buying in your family. The moment you change, and I take an example of 10,000 rupees. If you're buying stuff worth 10,000 rupees in your family, I'm not talking about what is retail margin, trade discount, CSI and all those things, but you can understand that approximately 1800 rupees savings you make or earning you make, which adds up to approximately 20,000 rupees a year. May not excite you, but when you have almost 10-20 families in your group, it may take again maybe 3-4 months or 5 months, depending on how much work you are doing. You start making 6-7 thousand rupees of income. But when you multiply, this is the power of duplication. When you have a team of 100 such families who are doing the same thing you are doing, right? 10,000 rupees sales, it becomes almost 10 lakh rupees sales. And you become silver, gold, platinum, depending on how much consistent you are making this much turnover. And your income goes beyond 1 lakh rupees, right? But the best part over here is, when you are consistent making this much income, it is called platinum, founder platinum business. You start getting foreign trips, and an average income of a founder's platinum, as per MWIP's published figure, it is approximately 14 lakh rupees, right? You can see how much difference do you see in your lifestyle if you are making an additional income of more than 1 lakh rupees per month. As a founder emerald, the average founder emeralds is making almost 45 lakh rupees. And there is a a huge level which we call as a founder's diamond, where an average founder's diamond is making 87 lakh rupees a year, right? So this is huge income, no doubt, but it takes time and effort. It will take almost 5 to 10 years to make this much income, and depending on your uh, willpower, you can make even more money earlier. So simple process is how to register. You can just check with the person who has invited you. You have must have an address proof, ID proof, and the bank details, and you can register yourself. There are a few criteria. You can talk about that, and there is a team which we called as a Brit Worldwide team. So many people in Amway are successful, but a lot many people you will find are not successful. The major reason is the system, are they associated with or not. So BWW is the Brit Worldwide system, where you will find the super successful people who were already successful in their profession, and now are successful in Amway business also. You can see Kulin and Meena Desai, Raj and Sangeeta Shah, Dr. Hall Newball, the third place. He's the person who was nominated for Nobel Prize, right? Doctor from Harvard University. On the contrast, you can see Pankaj and Amita Tutoria at the sixth level, sixth picture, who was not even matric pass, right? You can see Kanti and Lata Gala, who are scientists in the NASA. And say Priyamad and Sunita Kumari, IAS officer, Ankur and Tarigupta, IIT, and Dr. Harbhajan and Mohinder Braj, both doctors, couple. So there are lots of profiles you will find in this organization, which is called Brit Worldwide, and these are the people who are helping us building this business, right? So again, summarizing you that we expect the only time investment from you and the product which you are already using, but we have to create a co-branding with Amway products. You should be open to learn what is being taught in this system, and we will you will have a team who will guide you how to build this business, right? So this is all from my side. If you have any kind of questions, you can ask me. Please feel free, and I will try to address your queries. Thank you. Anyone, or you can just introduce yourself if you were not introduced earlier. I can see Hepil Doshi.
Yeah, hello, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Yeah, myself Hapil Doshi, and I have recently joined Amway almost 20 days back.
Okay, great.
And Bhupendraji introduced Amway business to me, and I glad to join this business. And I'm sure I'll do something better. I'll spend some time and let's build together. Thank you.
Yes, yes, yes. Bhupender ji is a great leader, and you are in the safe hands. You will definitely enjoy this journey. Great. All the best.
Thank,
Thank you.
thank you. Thank you.